Good morning, everybody. I'm Tom with Kentucky Powersports, and as we've already reported, inventories are starting to get really low. That's not only at Kentucky Powersports, but that's at dealers all across the state of Kentucky and across the country. But anyways, want to make sure everybody knows I've got one Red Talon X available. That's a two-seater X available that is ready to go. We've also got one of the two-seater R's. That's a 2021 model. It's the Fox Live Valve version. So in addition to the Talons, I've got a couple other things to show you. Let's take a look. Another unit that we still have in stock, it's red only, is the base model 700 two-seater. I've got a couple more to show you yet. Another unit that we have left, I have just one of them, and you can see that we're putting it together right now, is the Pioneer 1000 5-seater deluxe in the Phantom Camo. The last unit I want to show you is a Pioneer 700 two-seater deluxe in silver. This thing is not together. Our intentions are to get this thing put together today. So if you're interested in a Pioneer, I still have a couple left in stock. Make sure you stay tuned to our videos. We'll be showing you later some deliveries that we're expecting. Come on down to Kentucky Powersports, ask for myself, ask for Cole. Thanks for watching our videos.